Gemini, this is your channel messages for the 15th and 16th of June. Gemini, your channel cards are mental health and Aquarius, the star card. So I'm getting Gemini. I don't know if Gemini, you always have some weird ass spiteful ways, but I'm not going to blame you until I see the cards to prove it, okay? Gemini, I'm getting something about you want somebody to walk away from fame. Now, I don't know if this is a whole conspiracy that you're conspiring where you want this girl, but because she's too famous and you're too fucking insecure, you need to fuck up her shit so that you can feel better, which is a very insecure man. And believe me, if you're starting off the relationship that way, I would never tell a woman like that to fuck you or even be in a relationship with somebody as insecure as that. Now, you could be the victim, Gemini, and getting something about somebody want you to walk away from stardom. Now, of course, everybody might think about what it is to be famous, what it is to be a star. Some people want fame and them don't care if they make money. Some people want the money, but they don't really care about the cameras. I'm not sure which part of the spectrum you fall under. Also, I'm getting something about someone's like who you want to be. I'm getting your mental health is being affected. So maybe you're gaining popularity. And maybe you're gaining popularity in a way where you're attracting a lot of stalkers. You're attracting a lot of people who are really, like I don't know if you have crazy fans, or I don't know if your fans them just really like you have an addictive personality, you have an addictive nature. I'm getting people are saying, oh, when I'm around you, when I talk to you, I just feel so good. Yeah, you have a pure energy. That's why. That's why people love to come around you, talk to you for hours and hours and hours at a time about nothing, because them just want you there. Them want you, your vision to be focused on them, and them like, oh my God, this person is listening to me. Oh my God, regardless of how much they want to play down your stardom or not. So I'm getting something about like somebody, maybe them might try to scare you out of being a celebrity. You know, don't do that. The Illuminati going to come for you. Make them blood clot come. Telling me that the Illuminati going fucking come. Make them come. Myself make them come. Make them come. Make them. Make them come. Make them fucking come. They're probably going to ask you for go topless on a fucking red carpet like how they asked Sabrina Carpenter. And look what happened to Sabrina Carpenter now. She have her shows booked out in Canada. Canada is welcoming Sabrina Carpenter, okay? So I'm getting someone's like, you don't want to do that, it's scary. You see how Justin Bieber is breaking the fuck down because the paparazzis are taking pictures of him. Justin Bieber was like, listen to me, I'm a dad. I'm a husband. You think it's a fucking joke? Of course I think it's a fucking joke, Justin. You famous. So maybe somebody's like, you don't want that type of harassment. You don't want that type of beef. Suppose your ups hurt you. I'm getting somebody want to steer you away from stardom. They're telling you that's not what you want. You know, you might commit suicide. You might get depressed. You know, a lot of people are going to blacklist you because of things that you've done in your past. Oh, fucking well. Oh, fucking well. I bet you that won't stop you from getting fucking paid, though. There's two sides of being a star. You have the side where you care about and the side where you don't give a fuck about. You think if fucking Kim Kardashian gave a fuck about people talking shit about she fucking Ray J? You think she would have been where the fuck she is? And Kim Kardashian having a sex tape fucking Ray J, that never stopped Kanye West from being with her. That never stopped Kanye West from marrying her. Even though everybody talk about say, oh, she's the biggest whore, she's a slut and no man that wants her. Okay, Kanye West had how much kids with her and he married her. He gave her a big blood clot wedding. He proposed to her in a one big football field. He even brought out the fucking hologram of her father, even though she was fucking a black man. An Armenian woman was fucking a black man on camera. And Kanye West as a black man still did wife her. He did not give Bianca that type of treatment though. Bianca's clothes was off. Was Bianca known for fucking a black man on camera? No, but Kim Kardashian was treated better than her. So you see, the only time men call you whores is when them can't get your pussy. You need to know that. Now, maybe somebody's talking about the whole, them going to dig up your past, them going to expose you. Oh, fucking well. Somebody really feel like you're scared. They want you to be scared. And they want you to be scared in the name of just throwing everything away and being with them. No, I feel like I have more to offer. And if you want me to throw away my whole fucking career in order to be with your insecure ass, I feel like I can do better with a man too. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Gemini. So maybe somebody's turning up the harassment, and I'm turning up the stalking vibe. Oh, she's out with this person. Oh my God, look who she's dating. Okay, so do they pay your bills? No. So why the fuck you care? Let's go. First card out is a high priestess. Okay. I'm not sure if your entertainment industry have you to deal with being a high priestess. I'm getting that's what it is. They give people advice. People listen to you. They're getting you influential. It's one thing to go on social media and do renegade. There's one thing to go on social media and sell pussy picture. There's another thing to go up on social media and be an influence. Not an influencer. An influence. Me getting at a high priestess. People believe what you say. You are as credible as the Pope. And I'm getting a Gemini does not like that. And Gemini is the twins. I refer to them as the triplets. Chances are the man who you're there with him no want the female for be the one people listening to. He feels like he could have done a better job. Because Gemini rules communication. And if you're the one people go to advise, your man or your woman as a Gemini, them going to be jealous of you. So me getting you have a career, or me getting something about world renown when it comes on to the occult. That's where you're going to be. I'm not sure what type of celebrity somebody think you want to be. I don't know if somebody feel like you want to be an OnlyFans girl, or you want to take off your clothes. Me getting you're the high priestess. Apparently somebody didn't research you well enough. We have the Two of Pentacles. We have the Angel, which is Sagittarius. We have the Three of Wands. And we also have the King of Wands. Yeah. Me getting someone's like, okay, well, you need to choose. Maybe somebody's saying that you don't have protection. Well, I'm sure when you get money, you can get security. Just look at what Kendrick Lamar security is. Jesus Christ. Kendrick Lamar called Drake a certified lover boy, certified pedophile. And then he came to Toronto. Kendrick, why would you do that? You think you have fans here? You probably have fans here. But Drake just dropped him. Drake just come off of one performance. Everybody's now on Drake's side again. Why would you come to Toronto? In Drake's hometown? The ops are going to come to your hotel room. Why you call Drake a pedophile? You know how Canada is very known for exposing pedophiles. So why would you come here? I'm getting someone saying you need to choose. You need to choose. You need to choose between being with me or being with your career. I'm getting you really a cry about this shit. I'm getting you really like, oh my God, I don't want to lose him. Bitch, lose him. Lose him like a fucking air balloon. Lose him. Because I'm getting someone's like the reason why, or someone is like, oh, the reason why you don't talk to them is because you're too distracted. You're too busy. Yeah. You know, like how them busy sometimes with them blood clot job. Somebody saying the more famous you get is the more busier you get for them. Okay. It seems like somebody is watching your fucking fame card. And them I read your fortune. Shit, she getting bigger. Shit, she getting bigger. By the time she get this big, she won't have time for me. Maybe she don't want to hang out with you because your shitty attitude towards she achieving her dreams, or she making a difference in blood clot society, making money doing what she loves, and you don't support it. I don't know if you're her man, but apparently the man who's fucking you is the biggest blood clot hater. Meanwhile, you have fans out there that will worship you. I know if somebody can bully you out of being the high priestess, you know what they're going to draw for? Sex. They're going to draw for pictures, videos, rumors, how much you sell pussy for, what time you did sell the pussy, if you did give a receipt when you were selling the pussy. So if them can't bully you out of it, in order to be with them, they're going to try to expose you. I'm getting you still don't want them. High priestess is clarified by the Four of Pentacles, yeah. I'm getting thankfully, since you're the high priestess, you did not rely on outside people to give you your confidence. Someone's like, you know, if you step away from stardom and be with me, you wouldn't be broke. I'd rather be broke than be with an insecure motherfucker. I'd rather struggle. I'd rather struggle than be with a rich man who's trying to talk me out of what the fuck I want to do. I don't know how you are. The Two of Pentacles is clarified by the Ace of Swords. Yeah. Somebody's telling you need to choose. I'm getting you going to choose yourself. Always. Never you ever. If you're a man, never you choose a woman over you. If you're a woman, never you choose a man over you. I never make a man tell you if you need to choose your happiness or him. That's not a man you want to spend your life with. That's not a man you want to wake up to or have morning sex with. The Temperance is clarified by the Three of Cups. I'm getting on top of other men want you. Yeah, you're an influence to other women. I'm getting someone wants to make you feel like you're alone in this industry, and the only type of protection you'll have is if you walk away from them and be with a man, and he will protect you. I'm getting people in the industry will protect you. Just like how you have haters and trolls, you have fans who love you, you have people who support you. I'm getting a lot of women. A lot of women here, like women want to see you happy. Women are like, you know what, you deserve love. But the men are like, this bitch be selling pussy on OnlyFans for the same cost of a TTC ticket. This bitch don't deserve a top 1%. But I'm getting the women are like, no, you deserve a king. You deserve someone to treat you. I just hope you find happiness. I'm getting the women. So maybe a part of this Geminis or a part of the destruction when it comes on to women having a higher pay grade than men is making women fighting with each other. I'm getting all of the women them like you. I'm getting something with a Sagittarius. We have the Knight of Wands and we also have the Nine of, yeah. So I'm getting, they're losing their grips on you. Them can't control you. Or apparently, somebody did not know that there is a section of your life that can exist without a man. So I don't believe that I don't need a man. But I don't think I need a man who's supposed to monitor me, have sex with me, and tell me I'm beautiful. I don't need that for achieve my dreams. You need a man for partnership. You need him to be a husband or a boyfriend. You need him to be a father. But you don't need him for nothing else. What else you need him for? Nothing. So I'm getting somebody I run out of time. Because the more them try to bully you out of this is the more you're gaining experience in this. So somebody might do something really out of the blue, really shocking for throw you off. But I'm getting, even if them throw you off, make the public talk about it. You might lose some fans, you might gain some fans. Your reputation might take a hit, but that does not replace the star in the sky that is you. Paris Hilton reputation got a hit when she was fucking in a hotel. Paris Hilton's parents owned a fucking hotel and she recorded a video a night in Paris fucking in a hotel. So that's why the whole debate of women selling pussy or women fucking on camera, it's very debatable. Because why would Paris Hilton, a heiress who parents own hotels, why would she record herself fucking in one? She never need money. Was it to please the man? Was it because she wanted to rewatch it? Paris Hilton don't strike me as somebody who has a porn addiction, even though she's very good at having sex. She don't strike me as that person. So look on Paris Hilton being an heiress, fucking in a hotel where her parents own hotels. Why did she need to fuck on camera? Why did Kim Kardashian need to fuck on camera? Okay. Now why does the poor girl need to go up on OnlyFans and sell pussy? Because she want to go through school? Okay. So you see, Paris Hilton, Kim Kardashian, the poor girl who don't come from nothing, all of them have sex videos out of them. What's the common denominator of all of this? A man? And sweetie, Mary Magdalene was already written in the Bible as the only female who washed Jesus Christ's foot. Right now, whores and prostitutes and so-called sluts, they're finding their voices again. They are. And I'm not sure if men are not the ones to pick at you, it might be boring big pussy housewives who had to stay with their cheating husbands while their husband cheated with whores. Saying, it's calling you a home wrecker. She's saying, oh my God, she's a home wrecker. Ma'am, I've never been to your home before. And even if you're calling me a home wrecker, He been to my house. The only thing that was left in my house was good memories, the scent of his perfume, and good sex. So what kind of, my home was not wrecked. Was your home wrecked? Calling them a home wrecker. Your man wasn't home. Calling me a home wrecker. I never been to your fucking house. And if your man hate you that much for bring an outside girl for fucking at your house, sweetie, the woman outside is not the blood clot problem. Your man don't like you. Calling me a home wrecker, the last time I checked, my house was clean. It was good memories. That is what has been happening in my home. I don't know what the fuck is happening in yours. It seems like your house blood clot empty. And not empty with furniture. Empty with love and a loving husband who you keep staying with. So I'm not exactly sure what the fuck this is or what the male or the female wants you to believe. But I'm getting, yeah, we all have issues. We all have issues. Whether you're a doctor, you have issues. You work long hours. Whether you're the driver of TTC, you have issues. These fucking people keep coming on the train and leaving the train fucking dirty. Everybody have issues. No matter what job you're in. Whether you're a big celebrity or you're just a normal guy mopping the floor. Everybody have a problem. Everybody have mental health. Somebody want to bully you out of it because the chances of them and their confidence to meet you where you are is very limited. So they're going to bring you back down. No, don't be fucking a man or a woman like that. Stop it. Get some help. We have Leo. We have Scorpio. We have Friday. We have Ophiuchus. And nope. We have MK Ultra. Yeah, you're going to be bullied out. Oh my God, the whole world knows that you suck dick. Oh my God, the whole world knows that you have a video out of you fucking. Okay, so does the Aries, Paris Hilton. Paris Hilton never need to fuck for money. She did not need to fuck to send herself through school. The hotel, chances are the hotel she fucked in that fucking Night Ray lens was a hotel her father owned. So sweetie, let them talk about you. Let them talk. Make them hate you. Make them envious of you. Make them call you the biggest blood clot whore, slut, or prostitute. That did not stop Paris Hilton from getting married. And it did not stop Kim Kardashian from getting married and having such wonderful babies. Believe me. The only thing it did to them is help them. Because if Kim Kardashian never fuck on camera, me wouldn't know say her camel toe was perfect. I would not have known. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, Gemini, goodbye.